Hey y'all, back again. This time we're going to react to Obi-Wan Kenobi, the official trailer from Disney Plus. So I haven't caught up yet with the Book of Boba Fett. I've seen The Mandalorian, all the 9 movies. Seen some of Clone Wars. How to finish that. I've watched like about 10-20 episodes of Clone Wars. What else was there? Seen what's it called again? Rogue One. Not seen Solo yet. Watch that one day. So Mandalorian, watch that, and so got to catch up with Book of Boba Fett, and hopefully I saw the sprinkle in hopefully I'll watch Book of Boba Fett before this comes out. But so just give you an update of where I'm at with the Star Wars stuff. So let's get into the trailer.
They're coming. Stay hidden.
Is that a robot?
Or we will not survive.
Leave us alone.
When the time comes, he must be trained.
Like you trained his father?
May 27. Okay, cool.
You still want Kenobi. He's gone.
Maybe you've been looking in the wrong places.
6 parts.
I want every
6 episodes.
lowlife
Cool.
and bounty hunter to squeeze him. You can't run, Obi-Wan!
Oh, come out, Nanjali.
You can't escape him!
Sith? Vader. Limited series. Hayden Christensen is back. Alright. So that was nice. Nothing. Wasn't too long. Wasn't, pounding with exposition. Not exposition. It wasn't pounding with like information. Just a nice little teaser trailer. Got me a little pumped for May 27. I think it's gonna get in 2 episodes all out front, so it's gonna be like 5 weeks of Kenobi, 5 weeks of Ewan McGregor, and then we're gonna see Hayden Christensen, because I'm pretty sure he's in this too. And yeah, those are the only 2 people I recognize, and so gonna be some new characters, and can't wait. So let's go. All right. Thank you. Bye.